Now here's something that we all stumble over. For some unknown reason, despite the fact that we frequently misunderstood, we think we can write down a question and get it right first time. So the question is, how do we go about formulating questions at all? The things to think about are that you know what you mean, but the person being asked the question might not. And I guess another one that I keep asking is, are there subjects that can't be asked about directly? And the short answer to that is yes, there are. But it's an interesting question to think about. When you're developing survey questions, having established what you want to know, now draft some questions. All right? One question could be enough, just to write it down and have a look at it. It's better if you can get 2 or 3, but I do understand that can be quite a sizable load of work. But write down your draft questions and label them as draft, because you're going to have to review them and you probably will change them. Very few people can do it just writing them down. That's kind of like people writing code that never gets changed. Very experienced programmers can do it, but the rest of us are merely human. Sometimes it is really difficult to phrase the right questions. I've seen so many people struggle with the nuances of the English language and to get precisely the right meaning. Sometimes it's necessary, and sometimes it's just that the concept of interest does not have a precise term to identify. So we're struggling to about how do we identify this term? What words do we use for this? So it pays to write down a question and then have a look at it. Does it get the sense that you want? There will be some debugging needed. So the short summary is that you will have to draft your questions out. Start from the information needs of the research question and determine what information you need for the research question, and start drafting some questions that will gather that information. So that's what you need to do there.